I think it's time I address a big misconception about my videos. Contrary to what some people may think, my exercises are not for lazy people. They're for people who are determined, resilient, and committed to improving their lives, no matter their circumstances. It takes courage to show up for yourself, especially when life throws challenges your way. Whether you're dealing with pain, illness, or just navigating a difficult season, it's not easy, but you're still here, working to make a change one step at a time. When I started my gentle programs years ago, my inspiration came from my sister, who was undergoing cancer treatment at the time. She was vibrant, filled with life and drive. She wasn't lazy, far from it. My exercises were designed to meet her where she was during a challenging time. Gentle routines allowed her to move in a way that was safe and supported her body, and they gave her the chance to keep going at her own pace. That's the kind of strength my community embodies. Everyone's story is unique, and so are the challenges we face. For some, running a 5K might feel like a marathon. For others, just getting out of bed is a major victory. Whatever your challenge is, facing it head on is a sign of strength, not laziness. So don't call my community lazy, and more importantly, don't call yourself lazy. You're here doing what you can, and I'm proud of you.